Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best knife sharpeners that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Priority Chef Knife Sharpener. If you're new to sharpening and don't want to overcomplicate the process, opt for the Priority Chef Diamond-Coated Sharpener. This affordable manual sharpener is versatile and can sharpen straight and serrated blades in just a few swipes. It has a diamond-coated slot, which, although not as high quality as a 100% diamond abrasive, is less likely to wear down than other abrasives. It also has a ceramic sharpener that is excellent for polishing and removing damage from the knife blade. Instead of individual suction pads, the bottom of the tool has a non-slip cushion to ensure it stays in place. Plus, it has a hefty handle, so it feels safe to hold and use. Since it is a budget sharpener, it may wear down more quickly than a high-end pick. Moving on at number 4, we have the Sharple 191H Pocket Kitchen Chef Knife Scissors. Many sharpeners can handle serrated knives, but the Sharple 191H isn't one of them. This multifunctional tool can sharpen serrated kitchen knives, outdoor knives, and scissors. It features 3 slots including a coarse carbide side for dull blades, a fine ceramic grit side for serrated knives, and a 3rd slot for sharpening scissors. In terms of size, the sharpener is less than 3 inches tall, so you can store it in a drawer and save space on your kitchen countertop. For safety, it has a suction base to keep the sharpener from shifting while in use. Like most sharpeners, it has a collection tray at the base for metal filings that drop off the blade. However, the tray on this pick is smaller than most, so you may have to empty it more frequently. This sharpener also has a 3-year warranty. At number 3, we have the Work Sharp Tools Guided Field Sharpener. Bring the Work Sharp Guided Field Sharpener on your next foray into the wild. It is an all-in-one sharpening and honing tool that lets you restore the edges of knives, axes, and more. Like regular knife sharpeners, it has a coarse, 220 grit, and a fine side, 600 grit, that keep your knife or blade razor sharp. It also has a ceramic honing rod with an extra groove to sharpen fish hooks and a smaller ceramic rod for serrated knives. It sharpens all blades at either 20 or 25 degrees, which is the best for durability and getting a consistently sharp edge. It's also compact enough to slide into your pocket without feeling bulky. Overall, this sharpener is ideal for outdoor expeditions, though we wish it could adjust to lower angles for a more precise edge. The sharpener also comes with an easy guide and a 3-year warranty. At number 2, we have the Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening. While you don't have to be an expert to sharpen your knives with this Sharp Pebble Whetstone, be prepared to learn how to properly use it for the best results. The stone's abrasive surface is bonded, which means that instead of having to sharpen your knife with 2 separate stones, you get 2 different grits in a single block. The sides have a fine 6000 grit and a coarser 1000 grit made of aluminum oxide, which is a common material for sharpening stones. The stone is in a handcrafted bamboo base, giving it stability and a stylish flair. To use it, hold the knife at a 15 to 20 degree angle and sharpen your knife in small sections until the entire blade is covered. And finally at number 1, we have the UST Off 10-inch Sharpening Steel. If your knives need light sharpening or routine touch-ups when it's time to cook, the UST Off 10-inch Sharpening Steel is a helpful tool to have on hand. While it may look intimidating to use, it's actually an easy tool to use if you have the proper technique. This is an ideal sharpener for beginners because it has light grit, resulting in a smooth and polished edge every time. The 10-inch tool gives you enough length to keep the knife at a consistent angle. To use it, hold it anywhere from 10 to 15 degrees. Because the steel is magnetic, metal particles may cling to it, so you'll want to wipe it clean after every use. Like other honing rods, the tip at the bottom is round to help plant it firmly on your counter. We recommend placing a towel underneath to keep it more secure. Although this size can handle chef knives and butcher knives, If your knives are oversized, we recommend the 12-inch Whetstone instead. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.